Anteaters are fascinating mammals known for their distinctive appearance and specialized adaptations. There are 4 recognized species of anteaters: the giant anteater, Myrmecophaga tridactyla, the silky anteater, Cyclopes didactylus, the northern tamandua, Tamandua mexicana, and the southern tamandua, Tamandua tetradactyla. Each species has unique characteristics and adaptations. Anteaters are insectivores, primarily feeding on ants and termites. Their long, tubular snouts and tongues, which can extend up to 60 to 90 centimeters, 24 to 35 inches, in the case of the giant anteater, are perfectly adapted for extracting insects from nests. Anteaters are found predominantly in Central and South America. They inhabit various environments including forests, grasslands, and savannas. Some species, like the giant anteater, prefer open habitats where they can easily locate ant and termite colonies. Anteaters have a unique appearance characterized by their elongated snouts, small eyes, and long, bushy tails. They have sharp claws on their front feet, which they use for tearing open ant and termite mounds. Anteaters primarily feed on ants, termites, and sometimes other insects. Their long, sticky tongues and strong claws are well suited for extracting insects from nests and anthills. Some anteater species, like the silky anteater, are arboreal, spending much of their time in trees. Others, like the giant anteater, are terrestrial and prefer open grasslands or forests. Anteaters have a low metabolic rate compared to other mammals of similar size. This helps conserve energy, as their diet of insects may not provide as much energy as a diet higher in calories. Anteaters are typically solitary animals, except for mothers with their young. They do not form social groups or herds like some other mammals. Different species of anteaters exhibit different activity patterns. Some are nocturnal, active at night, while others are diurnal, active during the day. This can vary based on factors like climate and predator presence. Anteaters are generally solitary animals, except for females with their offspring. They are mostly active during the day, diurnal, although some species may be more active at night, nocturnal. They move slowly and deliberately, conserving energy due to their low metabolic rate. Female anteaters typically give birth to a single offspring after a gestation period of several months. The young anteater usually rides on its mother's back until it is old enough to forage on its own. Some species of anteaters, particularly the giant anteater, face threats such as habitat loss and roadkill due to expanding agriculture and urbanization. Conservation efforts are in place to protect their natural habitats and raise awareness about their importance in ecosystems. Anteaters play a vital role in their ecosystems by controlling insect populations and influencing the structure of their habitats. Their unique adaptations and behaviors make them an intriguing group of mammals to study and appreciate.